Oh, I didn't want to wake up. Okay, this is what happened to our storm last night. 70-mile-per-hour winds or something, 60, I don't know. I didn't care. That thing's still there, I'm surprised. Bunch of dirt on my house. I'm tired. I want to go. I think I'm gonna sleep. Pots and pan over. Whoop-de-doo. Guess somebody died because of power line down somewhere. Here's sirens again. Shingle damage on my house. Well, I was going to trim that tree anyway, but thank God I did that. So I don't have to trim it. I was hoping the whole thing would go down, actually. That was right where I wanted it to. Thank goodness. Good enough. Let's just stand in here. Got any hail damage or wind damage on my shingles again. Tree broke way over there. Looks like it. I think it was just a west wind. I was worried about that thing going down more than anything. Mud all over my house from the dust last night. Man, was there dust. Mud everywhere. Yeah, now I don't have to pay to trim the tree. Good. It costs a lot of money. I'll just haul that to the dump and we'll be good to go. It sounded like somebody touched a power line and they weren't responding to CPR, so I hope they're okay. Hi, kitty. She didn't care last night. It's like, whatever. She didn't care. The wind was blowing just almost like a tornado. She didn't care. It was Kiko. Oh my goodness. She would be just completely in shock and fear. She's one brave cat. Yeah. Alright, I just woke up and the power went out again this morning for a 5th million time. It's been going out for a long time. So I'm gonna see if I can get something to eat without the power going out again. And yeah, so that's what's out there. I just lost that tree. Other people had trees on their cars, but what a mess. It's just like that windstorm we had in 2008 in here. It was not fun.